What if I told you that your credit card could be a powerful tool for generating passive income? Not spending money you do not have, but actually making money from the money you already spend. In this video, we will explore how high earners use premium credit cards to earn rewards, cash back, and travel benefits, all while building passive income. By the end, you will understand the simple secrets that turn plastic cards into little money machines. Before we get started, do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple financial tips, and drop a comment with your favorite credit card perk if you already have one. A premium credit card is not the same as the basic card you might have gotten when you first opened a bank account. Premium cards usually have a high annual fee, which means you pay a certain amount every year just to own the card. That might sound bad at first, but here's the twist. These cards offer huge rewards and benefits that could be worth much more than the fee. For example, some premium cards give you free airport lounge access, travel credits, and points that turn into free flights. High earners are not afraid of the annual fee because they know how to get back 2, 3, or even 5 times what they paid. High earners do not just use their premium card for big purchases. They use it for almost everything. Groceries, gas, electricity bills, phone bills, even a cup of coffee. Every time they swipe, they earn points. But they're smart about it. They know which categories give extra points. For example, a card might give 5 points for every dollar spent on travel, 3 points for dining out, and 1 point for everything else. So they use that card when they book a flight or eat at a restaurant. They might use a different card for groceries if that card gives better rewards. Over a month, those points add up fast. After a year, they can have hundreds of thousands of points just from buying what they needed anyway. Some premium cards give cash back instead of points. Cash back means the bank puts real money back into your account. 1%, 2%, or even 5% of what you spend. High earners look for cards that give high cash back on their biggest spending categories. If a family spends a lot on groceries every month, they want a card that gives 5% cash back at supermarkets. That cash back is like a small refund on everything they buy. But here is the secret they do not always tell you. They do not just spend that cash back on more stuff. They take that cash back and move it into a savings account or an investment account. The cash then earns interest or grows in the stock market. That is how a simple cashback card becomes a source of passive income. Another way high earners build passive income is through travel hacking. That sounds complicated, but it is not. Travel hacking just means using your points to pay for flights and hotels instead of using your own cash. Imagine you want to take a vacation that would normally cost $2,000. Instead of paying that $2,000 from your bank account, you use points you earn from your normal spending. Now you still have that $2,000 in your bank. You can invest it, save it, or use it for something else. That $2,000 did not disappear. It stayed with you. That is just like earning $2,000 of passive income. The key is learning how to transfer your points to airline partners. 1 point might be worth 1 cent as cash, but when you transfer it to the right airline, it could be worth 3 or 4 cents. High earners study these transfers to get the most value. Now let's talk about the most powerful step, investing your rewards. Let us say you earn $300 in cash back over a year. Instead of spending it on dinner or new shoes, you put that $300 into a low-cost index fund. That fund owns little pieces of hundreds of companies. Over time, those companies grow and make money, and your $300 grows too. After 10 years, that $300 could become $600 or more without you doing any extra work. Now imagine you do this every year. You earn cash back, you invest it, and you let it compound. After 20 years, those small rewards can turn into thousands of dollars. That is true passive income. Your credit card did the earning, and the stock market did the growing. You cannot build passive income if you fall into the traps. The biggest trap is credit card interest. If you do not pay your full balance every month, the bank charges you interest. That interest is often 20% or more. That means if you leave just $100 unpaid, you could owe $120 next month. Your rewards will never be big enough to cover that. High earners never carry a balance. They treat their credit card exactly like a debit card. If they do not have the money in their bank account, they do not buy it. Another trap is spending more just to earn points. That is a mistake. Only buy what you were going to buy anyway. The moment you buy something you do not need just for points, you lose. The bank wins. You do not need to be a millionaire to use these strategies. You just need the right card for your life. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, do I travel often? If yes, look for a premium travel card with points that transfer to airlines. Second, do I mostly spend on groceries, gas, and everyday items? If yes, look for a card with high cash back on those categories. Third, can I pay my balance in full every single month? If the answer is no, focus on building that habit before getting a premium card. Many premium cards have annual fees of $500 or $600. That sounds scary, but many of them also give you annual travel credits that can be worth $400 or more. So your real fee might be only $100 or $200. As long as you earn more than that in rewards, you come out ahead. Here is a simple step-by-step plan that anyone can follow. Step 1. Check your credit score. You need good credit for premium cards. Step 2. Research 1 or 2 cards that match your spending. Read simple reviews online. Step 3. Apply for the card. Step 4. Use it for your normal monthly bills and expenses, but pay the full balance every month before the due date. Step 5. Watch your points or cashback grow. Step 6. Every few months, redeem your rewards. If you get cash back, move it into a separate savings account or an investment app. If you get points, learn one transfer partner and use your points for a free flight or hotel. Step 7. Repeat. That is it. You have now turned your credit card into a tiny engine of passive income. Let us quickly recap. Premium credit cards have high fees, but also high rewards. High earners use them for everyday spending, earn points or cash back, and then invest or save those rewards. They avoid interest by paying in full every month. They choose cards that match their lifestyle, and they never spend extra just for points. This is not magic. It is just smart habits repeated over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with a friend who might benefit. And comment below with one small change you will make to your credit card used starting tomorrow. In our next video, we will discuss the best investment strategies for beginners, simple enough for anyone to understand. Make sure to hit the bell so you do not miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, small smart choices lead to big freedom.
I am